Here in SiDM, you can define multiple workflows to create materials with multiple participants and specify the fields that each participant must complete or validate. Firstly, a user can create a material creation request based on previously set variants to make it easier. These variants contain some values and the organizational units required, such as plants or sales areas, as well as classification classes. Here, the user must enter data, such as the request priority and material description, as well as longer texts for the request and notes. These are available to help the user provide a more detailed requirement. Then, it's possible to complete classification characteristics that later going to help create a structured material description. Finally, the user checks the request and sends it to the next participant in the workflow. This participant receives an email notifying them that a request is waiting for their attention. Participants can access and find requests by number or other criteria. They can view a request summary and handle the request. Here, participants can check the classification values added by the requester. If these are correct, the text rules are applied to create a more structured description of the material. And how is this structured? It comes from rules that you could define based on fields, constants, or characteristics. Participants can then access additional information, such as plant data. This can be completed manually or automatically by applying business rules that determine the correct value for each field. Then, it is possible to return the request for amendments, reject it, or release it. Finally, the last participant, such as the master data lead, can access the request and create the material. Now you can see a material number in SAP with all the views and organizational units needed. You can check that all the fields have been completed and that the short text is well structured. This is data quality and data governance in SAP.